All right, guys, this is lesson 5 from topic 1. For this lesson, you're going to need 3 sheets of patty paper and your compass. So you'll need your compass for this. So today we're going to be looking at perpendicular bisectors. We've been focused on angle bisectors the last couple of lessons, so we're kind of switching gears in a way and talking about the other type of bisector that is we talked about on lesson 1 that there were 2 main types of bisectors, angle bisectors and perpendicular bisectors. So today we're going to be focused on perpendicular bisectors. We're going to be forming what's called the circumcenter. We're going to construct the circumscribed circle, and we're going to be talking about some conjectures that we can form from the circumcenter. So, the perpendicular bisector, remember that term, tells us 2 things about this. First of all, the word perpendicular means that we have an intersection forming 90-degree angles. Bisector, remember, is any line or a part of a line that is separating a figure into 2 equal parts. So a perpendicular bisector, if you put the 2 together, is a line or a part of a line that intersects another line segment at a right angle and divides that line segment into 2 smaller segments that have equal lengths. So we have to really focus on this highlighted word here. We can only have a perpendicular bisector of a segment because you cannot cut a line in half or a ray in half. Now the line or the ray can be the bisector, it just can't be what's bisected. Only the segment can be bisected. So in this diagram, line EF is the perpendicular bisector. It is separating segment AB into 2 smaller segments that have equal lengths. And those segments are segment AM and segment MB. And we can see that by the tick marks that are placed on those parts. It is also forming a 90-degree relationship, as we can see by this right angle symbol here at point M, the point of intersection of the 2 lines. So if you will look at your notes, you have on number 3 the same diagram, and it says to name the perpendicular bisector, that's what's doing the bisecting, and the segment that it is bisecting. So line EF is the bisector. It is bisecting the segment AB. So this is the bisector, this is what's being bisected. Here are the tick marks showing those congruent parts and the right angle symbol showing the 90-degree relationship. So remember, we have been learning the last couple of days what property was true about every point on an angle bisector. So remember, every point on an angle bisector is equidistant, remembering that means equal distance, from both sides of the angle. And that is really important because now we're going to be learning a new property that we're going to be applying to perpendicular bisectors. So you're going to need your materials for this next video. Don't forget you need 3 sheets of patty paper and a compass. I'll see you right back on the next video.